Paano po what will constitute something that is actually impeachable? Sa inyo pong opinion?
Well, medyo broad po kasi yung ibang grounds for impeachment, lalo na po yung betrayal of public trust, no? Yun na ground po. Medyo that's really broad. So that would now depend on ano din yung understanding at appreciation ng members of the committee whether or not yung recital of facts as indicated in the impeachment complaint is sufficient para maging impeachable offense nga as determined by the Committee on Justice.
So meaning, aside from testimony, mas mainam pa rin po kung may resibo, may trail, at meron pong malinaw na pagkakasangkot ng kanilang inaakusahan.
Tama po, mas better po kung may gano'n kasi mahirap din po kung puro testimony lang, it's gonna be his word against the word of the accused or the respondent. Mas mabuti po kung may actual na resibo kung sinasabi nga nila.